Hello, kings, queens, and royals in betweens. My name is Joe, and this is my channel, Betweens. Betweens friends. Oh my god, was a really good crime. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a silver glitter halo eye with gray eyeshadow on the outside, and oh no, where did it go? And a purple lip, such as this. There's some pink gems on there, gray eyeshadow, green eyeshadow, orange, and then purple. Oh, look at all these scratches. Just from being in my pocket. My screen protector has scratches on it. I don't remember putting a knife in my pocket. Oh, there were scissors in there. That explains it. All right. Let's begin. Happy Pride Month, by the way. This is my first video that I'm recording in June. If you saw a video last week, I recorded it in May. I record ahead of time when I have the time. That way I don't have to stress myself out. Unless I have no time to film, and then I stress myself out anyway. It's just one of those things. While I do my base up to the blush step, I am going to tell you about dreams I've had, but not completely. That way you are just left in confusion, and maybe it'll be funny. So, as Twilight Sparkle, at the end, I put a flower in between my butt cheeks, and then I save the world. Be who you are for your pride. So there was a zombie apocalypse going on, and my friend who I had never met in real life before to this day, I remember them wearing pants with embroidered flowers on it, and that's all I can remember about that dream. I'm grasping at straws. I can't remember any of my dreams right now. They're on my notes app on this phone. But to be able to access them, I would have to stop recording, and I don't want to do that. Thank you. So I was at my aunt's house, and my brother and my dad were being hunted in the woods for sport. But I was being held back in the house for whatever reason, and one of the kidnappers came in and he took off his shoes, and I was like, "Do you want me to take your socks off?" Don't know what that means. Don't want to find out. So he got caught by the teachers and he apologized, which made everything okay. Unfortunately, he was trying to shoot up the school. Don't know why everybody forgave him. Kind of Disney sitcom. What? What? That's a serious thing? Why would I blame Andy Mack in the gun episode? So I was spending time with my mom, which is already weird enough. And she said, "Do you want to just go to California?" And I was like, "Why?" She was like, "Just to spend time together on vacation." And then I woke up. Why would my brain do that to me? I've had a lot of dreams about my mom. I know why. Never mind. I really should get one of those little fans that I could just put on my face, because this is really not doing it for me anymore. It's camp, but look at this. And look at, well, you can't see the muscles on the inside of my hand, but just imagine them really tense. Like steak, like the steak thing. Ooh, if I were to describe this part of the meat in my hand, I would say none of it. This. I would say it's one of these in terms of steak. Dry, get dry. What? So my sister and I were at a Burger King or a Denny's or something, like a restaurant of some kind that was very like fast food, but I don't remember which one. She told me, "You smell really bad. You should go wash your armpits in the bathroom." And so I did, but the bathroom got like inceptioned, in which I opened the door and there was a bunch of like long hallway of stalls, and there were a bunch of people in it, and it was moving around, and I kept trying to grab for like paper towels from a paper towel thingy, and like it just kept overflowing, and there was the floor was full of paper towels. I don't think I ever started smelling better in that dream. Sorry, my sister's name. Why don't I just... Oh, I forgot I wasn't gonna do... Oh man, these eyebrows are gonna be so metallic and shiny. I forgot I didn't want to do this anymore. Too late now. I could probably fix it with like face powder, but am I going to? No. Second highlighter time. One time I was at a Food Lion and I went into the bathroom stall, and there was like a portal to Wonderland, kind of. I brought a friend with me or something. My brain made up this friend, not a real person. And I think their dad got mad that we were escaping into the Wonderland world. Naturally, you want to know where a kid went? And that's all I can remember for that one. It was like a while ago. I don't remember when I had that one, but that wasn't even on my note list. I just remember that one because I missed the Wonderland so bad. And I couldn't go in there anymore after a while. It was weird, but all of my dreams are. Why is this wet now? Last night, actually, I had a dream where I was working at a Dollar General combined with a Starbucks. And my boss got mad at me because I didn't put some pens in the right place. And then other people that I was working with were, you know, stressing out over making drinks, making coffee. One of them had like a DoorDash delivery kind of situation going on where they were like stressing about making the coffee and then taking it to somebody's house. I should have told that story while I was doing the cheek part because otherwise I would just have a bronzed forehead. Oh well. I guess I could tell another one. One time I was in my old school. I've had a lot of school-related dreams, even though I graduated like 3 years ago. Oh, it was exactly 3 years ago. 3 years ago today. I don't know what happened here. So happy graduation anniversary to me and my friends and to people that I didn't know that well but also had graduated. Also to my cousin who didn't go for sad reasons. But that's none of my business. Now she's dating my childhood neighbor. This is how I would look if I didn't have my chin. Fun fact for him. It's looking a little muddy, like right specifically in the middle. But if I don't look up, you won't be able to see it. Fingers crossed. Maybe this bronzer isn't for me. Maybe it's too powdery. But am I gonna use it anyway because it was $7? No, this one was like 10. The highlighter was $7. So I'm gonna use it until it's dead and gone and buried. Was that entertaining telling you about my dreams? I have a couple of other stories that I can't remember right now, but I could tell you more of them if you'd like. So in the picture, I have an orange blush. And I think I'm going to use A5 from the Norvina, ABH Norvina Collection Volume 3 palette. That's my ring light. It has butterflies on it. You guys like butterflies? I know. I'm going to blend it out with a blush brush with nothing on it. Who knows, maybe I'll accept that I look like a jack-o'-lantern and leave it like this. You can't stop me. Isn't it funny how this is me saying, ooh, I don't have that much blush on anymore. I took most of it off, I look normal now. How is it? I don't know. I didn't see that movie. I know Beyonce is in one of them. Say my name, say my name. I'm not flipping you off, stop. I'm not. Okay, I'm gonna do my brows. Oh, back up. I'm gonna do my brows and I'll be right back. Ooh, drag queen thingy. You remember this? All right, I did both brows on one eye off camera. I did say I was just gonna do the brows, but my thing is I do the brows and the eye off camera now, but I just forgot that part. Also, I did a new thing with the brows, new product with the brows. I kind of like it. All right, let's do this. Over here. So, the first thing I did was, why is this over here? I used the Morphe Abby Roberts palette again. I just love hurting myself, I guess. I thought there were different grays in here, and then I was like, I'll just try this one for fun. It's not my favorite gray, but my favorite gray that I do own is not that pigmented, so this gets the job done. Halo eyes, right? Who's got them? There's something really pointy in this brush, like one rogue hair that's evil. But anyway, I did like a cut crease, a winged cut crease shape out to the hairline. And then I just left this empty space right here, but put some on the inner corner as well, because I want this over here. I don't know if that was easy to tell. I did eyeliner on the eyebrows. Brown eyeliner. For normal people, it was a lot faster to do than the NYX brow marker that I had. I did enjoy it, but I'm out of it, and and then I just got this. It's CoverGirl, and it's brown. Does it look better? Does it look worse? Does it look the same? Comment below. Also, it feels good to use a makeup product as what it's not intended for. Brownie points for that, which is also the name of an eyeshadow shade in this palette. My stomach just growled after I said brownie. Now I'm gonna do Booty Guru. Booty. Probably a typo. Focus it right on the inner and outer corners and then take it out a little bit. Some blendage would be nice. And then now that I'm here, going back with the freckle, with this blendy brush and going around the perimeter so it's higher towards the brow and it's more of a gradient. Did I do that on this side? No. But I realized that this side needs it. You guys need help. I'm on my way. I'm not doing the eye on purpose this time. Now I am. I was just trying to hold my eye closed. Now I'm gonna do the green. I'm gonna do Tinkus. Maybe that's a reference to Tinkerbell, or maybe that's a British thing. And since I remember that lime does not look good under my eye, I'm gonna use this bold green called Dino. Maybe that's a reference to Reptar, or maybe she likes dinosaurs. Now Tinker's on top, eating teen Dunkin' Crumpers. On the, just a little bit of a perimeter moment. Gradients, blending, eyeshadow, makeup. Now, I'm gonna do a silver shimmer from the Revolution Makeup Revolution London palette. I never use this ding dang thing anymore. I'm gonna use this one. Number 2. And I'm focusing it in the center. It's a really gorgeous shimmer. The shimmers in this palette are the best of the palette. Eyeliner, wing that has like a little gap, so for the halo. I don't know why I did it on the doodle, but it's fun. Basically do what Trixie did when she didn't have money and draw a diamond. She used to draw diamonds on her ears for earrings. I was trying to make a reference. Ooh, girl, you are so shady. Idiot. Do they look the same? This one is thicker. Okay. I'm glad sometimes I notice things in real time rather than after the video is already done. I'm gonna pack some black eyeshadow on the eyeliner. Hopefully this time I won't drop black eyeshadow on the rest of my face, because it doesn't belong there. The NYX Epic Ink eyeliner is already really black and pigmented, but I just like to do this because sometimes I miss a spot or sometimes my eyes are watering, and I feel like this is just like airbrushed in a way. That's done. Now I'm done with this, and now I'm gonna, oh, my ring light just fell. I'm gonna do an Eye Safe glitter right now this time. I don't know what brand it is. It's just 6 or 9. So maybe that'll help you in your journey. Don't ever use craft glitter or nail glitter on your eyes. Even if I do it and I say I'm going to do it, I don't want you to. This time it's eye glitter though, so I think it is. My grandma gave it to me, or no, I think my dad gave it to me. Who knows what it is, really? It could be alcohol for all I know. Oh no, my eyes are gonna get dry. Tiny glitters are beautiful too. Pass it on. They deserve love too, even if it's not from me, because I love the chunkier ones. But now I'm gonna do these pink gems, and they're from Make Soap Gem Stickers, 78 stickers. They're made in Goodlettsville, Tennessee. Oh no, they're made in China but distributed from Old East Main Co. Don't know what that means. Hope it's not bad. Mascara time. Black mascara. This one, such as this. CoverGirl. Oh, is that CoverGirl? Wow. CoverGirl, sponsor me. I've been using 2 of your products. This makeup is turning out really good, I think. Now, time for lash. Which one? I don't know. Good old lash. This one? I can't remember. Brows not twins. You know the classic saying. Mariachi, that's the word I'm looking for. Who's Liberace? Don't worry about the gold glitter that's stuck on it. It's part of the charm. I'm very charming. Cherry flavor. Want to taste? But cupcake. I know I look like him when I have my bangs out of the way. Don't say anything. Time to put purple eyeshadow on my mouth. My coworker, she said, stop putting eyeshadow on your mouth. I'm gonna get you a lip palette from Temu. So I might still have to use eyeshadow on my mouth. Who knows what the quality of that will be? Good luck, babe. Good luck, babe. You have to stop the world just to stop the feeling. So I think I'm gonna use this purple from the Delancy palette. Delancy. I don't know. Just smeared all this. This purple has become a little bit too dark, so I'm gonna put this stinky pink gloss that also has some red in there for some reason on top. Kind of want to put a little bit of a shimmer on my mouth. Lavender shimmer, where art thou? Am I starting to love shimmer on the mouth? Yeah, I think I am. I'm gonna brush my bangs and I'll be right back. Okay, brushed them. And now I'm gonna do yellow jewelry. I made this one out of a ring pop and gems. Also, you know, you guys know, the hot glue on the table. This is a back up. This is a very shimmery look today. I just put lash glue on it. The earrings. Now I gotta wait for them to dry. I think I did yellow jewelry recently, like 2 recently. But then again, nobody cares but me. I'm the only person that's like, oh, I wore yellow jewelry back to back. I can't wear yellow jewelry back to back. You guys don't care. Okay, this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you enjoyed the process that it took to get here. This is my favorite look that I've done since coming back to YouTube, so points there. Let's celebrate that. If you want to like the video, like the video. If you want to comment. If you want to share between friends and close ones, share between the friends and close ones. If you want to subscribe, you should. And if you want to cash out me, JoeMoore684. If you don't want to do any of those things, or if you want to do some of those things but not others, that's completely fine. And with that, I will see you in the next one. What it is for truly.